Alright, today we're going to be doing another unboxing video. I just got this in the mail today. I'm pretty excited about getting this character. This is another G.I. Joe. Alright, wrapped up pretty decent. And let's see what we got. Right, here's BackBlast. Looks pretty good. Looks pretty good so far. A little bit of a nick right there, but that's all right. Paint looks good. Joints are pretty tight. Yeah. There's his file card. Looks pretty good. Those accessories are down here. Alright, let's see what we got. I'm pretty excited about getting this guy. I've been wanting him for a little while. Yeah, that's really on there. Anything else in there? Let's see. Doesn't look like it. Okay. But yep, there's his knife. There's his launchers. There's all three of his missiles. There's his little scope thing. There's his bandolier. So far, it looks good. I really like it. Very excited to get this one this time. Of course, I'm excited to get them every time. Just gotta figure out how that goes on there. I think it's supposed to go like this. Or like this, maybe. I do wish I had some instructions. Maybe this one goes in the middle. Okay, yeah. Gotta be careful with these things. This is 30-year-old plastic. No. What? Sorry about that. Well, I'll worry about that later. We got his bandolier here. I've seen people displaying it with the bandolier, and I've seen people display him without his bandolier. I'll probably be one of the ones without. That looks a little silly to me, but hey, maybe after I figure it out, it'll look better. And that's supposed to go in there somehow. But I'll figure that out later. But yep, this is it. I'm pretty excited about getting BackBlast. Pretty excited about it. Thanks for watching.